you're over 60, your heart health is more important now than ever before. But there's one daily habit that could be silently damaging your heart, and most seniors don't even realize it. Today I'll reveal what it is, how to protect your heart, and the simple lifestyle changes that can help you live longer and feel stronger. 1. Why heart health matters. More after 60. As we age, our blood vessels become less flexible. Our heart muscle can weaken, and conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, and high cholesterol become more common. That's why it's critical to pay extra attention to your heart's needs after 60. The silent habit, damaging your heart. One of the biggest hidden threats is prolonged sitting and inactivity. Many seniors spend long hours sitting, watching TV, reading, or simply resting. While rest is important, sitting too much slows blood circulation, raises blood pressure, and increases the risk of blood clots, heart attack, and stroke. 3. Silent heart attack signs you must know. Unlike younger people, seniors may not feel the classic crushing chest pain. Instead, watch for unusual fatigue, shortness of breath, mild chest discomfort, nausea or indigestion, dizziness or lightheadedness. These could be signs of a silent heart attack. Don't ignore them. Asterisk. 4. High blood pressure risks. After 60, high blood pressure or hypertension is often called the silent killer because it damages arteries over time without obvious symptoms. Uncontrolled blood pressure increases the risk of stroke, kidney disease, and heart failure. Check your blood pressure regularly, even if you feel fine. 5 foods that are bad for your heart. Avoid or limit processed meats, sausages, bacon, deep fried foods, sugary drinks and snacks, excess salt in canned soups, trans fats found in packaged baked goods. 6. The best heart diet for seniors. Focus on fresh vegetables and fruits, whole grains like oats and brown rice, lean proteins such as fish and skinless chicken, nuts, seeds, and olive oil for healthy fats, low-fat dairy for calcium and protein. 7 heart attack prevention tips for seniors. Stay physically active. Aim for at least 30 minutes of walking or light exercise most days. Manage stress through deep breathing, prayer, or meditation. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Keep a healthy weight. Your heart is working for you every moment of your life. Treat it with care, and it will take care of you. Make small, consistent changes. Move more, eat better, and listen to your body. This is your guide to a healthier, stronger heart after 60. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you enjoy our videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon after subscribing.